Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. Which is an example of a sexually transmitted disease? Is it A. Thyroid cancer, B. Parkinson's, C. Chlamydia, or D. Gastritis? The answer is C. Chlamydia.
Chlamydia, a common sexually transmitted infection, is often dubbed the silent disease because many people show no symptoms. Despite its stealthy nature, it's easily treatable with antibiotics. Interestingly, koalas can also contract chlamydia, which poses a significant threat to their population in Australia. This cross-species occurrence highlights its widespread impact.
Question 2. Who developed the theory of universal gravitation? Is it A. Albert Einstein, B. Charles Darwin, C. Isaac Newton, or D. Galileo Galilei? The answer is C. Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton's theory of universal gravitation was inspired by a falling apple, leading to his groundbreaking realization that the same force governing the apple's descent also governs celestial bodies. This insight not only revolutionized physics but also laid the foundation for classical mechanics, forever changing our understanding of the universe.
Question 3. What is the name given to a naturally occurring mineral-like substance that does not demonstrate crystallinity? Is it A. Pseudomineral, B. Mineraloid, C. Gemstone, or D. Flotsam? The answer is B. Mineraloid.
Mineraloids are fascinating because they defy the typical crystalline structure of minerals. Opal, for instance, is a well-known mineraloid that captivates with its play of color effect. Unlike traditional minerals, mineraloids can form from organic processes or rapid cooling, resulting in unique and often stunning appearances that intrigue geologists and gem enthusiasts alike.
Question 4. What word describes the porous openings on the surface of leaves? Is it A. Stigma, B. Petal, C. Sepal, or D. Stomata? The answer is D. Stomata.
Stomata are tiny but mighty. These microscopic openings on leaves not only allow plants to breathe by exchanging gases, but they also play a crucial role in regulating water loss. By opening and closing, stomata help plants adapt to changing environmental conditions, making them essential for plant survival and efficiency.
Question 5. What would you call a baby frog? Is it A. a calf, B. a maggot, C. a tadpole, or D. a piglet? The answer is C. a tadpole.
A baby frog, known as a tadpole, embarks on an incredible transformation journey called metamorphosis. Starting life with gills and a tail for swimming, it gradually develops lungs and legs. This magical transition from aquatic to terrestrial life is so fascinating that it inspired the term tadpole from Old English tada, meaning toad.
Question 6. What is the approximate temperature of an interstellar gas cloud? Is it A. 10,000 K, B. 10 K, C. 1,000 K, or D. 100 K? The answer is B. 10 K.
Interstellar gas clouds, with temperatures around 10 Kelvin, are some of the coldest places in the universe. Despite their frigid nature, these cosmic refrigerators are cradles of star formation. Within them, gravity can eventually overcome thermal pressure, leading to the birth of new stars and planetary systems over millions of years.
Question 7. What type of tree is known for its weeping shape? Is it A. Willow tree, B. Maple tree, C. Oak tree, or D. Birch tree? The answer is A. Willow tree.
The willow tree, renowned for its graceful, drooping branches, has inspired countless artists and poets. In ancient mythology, it was associated with grief and mourning due to its melancholic appearance. Interestingly, the bark of the willow contains salicin, a natural compound that led to the development of aspirin.
Question 8. What term is used to describe a number of skin inflammations and is from the Greek word for skin? Is it A. Acne, B. Dermatitis, C. Eczema, or D. Psoriasis? The answer is B. Dermatitis.
Dermatitis, derived from the Greek word derma meaning skin, is a broad term encompassing various skin inflammations. Interestingly, ancient Greeks believed that imbalances in bodily fluids caused such conditions. Today, dermatitis affects millions worldwide and can be triggered by anything from stress to soap, proving our skin has its own drama.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope you had a blast and didn't find it too elementary. Until next time, keep your curiosity in orbit. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Farewell until tomorrow. Have a good one wherever you are.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts and our network at classicstudios.com.